Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Real quickly, I want to go over some empties, household empties, mostly from DollarTree. So I'm gonna toss this stuff after this, but I have the aluminum foil 40 square foot one from DollarTree. I usually really enjoy this. I like it. This time it ripped off very terribly and just continued that way. I could not fix it. And after several attempts, yeah, it's just going to go in the trash. So I'm going to stray away from buying this for a while because of that. So I'm literally throwing away half a roll of aluminum foil because it cannot be fixed. Then I have these aluminum foil sheets. Yes, it looks like a monster ripped into them, but it was just me. 30 sheets. I love these. They have a non-stick side to them, and they are perfect for lining pans. They are perfect for leftovers, and this is what I'm going to stick with for a while. Next up, I have two Good Scent Handle Tall Kitchen Bags, the vanilla scent. I absolutely love these. I kept both of these boxes. I went through these the last month or so, and I've been donating stuff and decluttering around the house as well, so I've been going through a lot more trash bags, but these are great. They don't rip easily, they hold a good amount of stuff, and I love that they're scented. So definitely check these out in your Dollar Tree. In the laundry, I have these breezy 55 count fresh linen fabric sheets, and these are supposed to soften, reduce static, cling, and wrinkles, and freshen. I definitely think they might have helped with softening and definitely reduced the static clean. I do use a laundry detergent with fabric softener, but I also like to use the sheets as well. I don't think that they did any freshening, to be honest, and they didn't have a strong smell. They smell good in the box, but I don't think that these really did much. So I'm not going to buy this one again. I have the Spring Magic Fab detergent gel pads, 10 count. These were awesome. I usually have large loads, so I used 2 of these. That was 5 loads for me for $1. Honestly, you can't complain about that. My laundry got cleaned. It did what it was supposed to. Now, in conjunction with all of that stuff, I do use the scent boosters from Dollar Tree. This one is an in-wash fragrance booster, and it's in the scent Spring. It is a pink little crystal-like rock looking thing for your washer, and it smelled good. It says long-lasting freshness, but honestly, nothing lasts as long as the fresh scent that is my favorite. This one is my favorite. And this one was okay. It smelled good in the thing. I don't think it transferred to the clothes. It didn't linger. When I use this one, it lingers a long time even after our clothes have been hung in the closet or in a drawer for a while. I love this one. This one is the strongest one that they have. I would definitely recommend the fresh scent over any of the other scents boosters that they have. Fresh scent. I think some of you probably agree with that as well. It is the best one. Last but not least, so this Ajax one says it's 75% more. It strips grease, guaranteed, Ultra Ajax, bleach alternative. It's a grapefruit scent. It was a nice scent. 14 ounces for $1. You can't beat that. It is a little more liquidy than the Palm Olive. It does a little less work than the Palm Olive for comparing the two here. It does cut grease, but it is just not as good as my Palm Olive, and this is just okay, and this is just a pickup if I cannot find my Palm Olive. So this was just okay. I really did enjoy this lavender and lime one, but I do feel that after I got done using this, I did like it, and I like the scent, but what I do not like, and I believe this is so crazy, but because no other dish soap that I've ever used has done this, but no matter how much rinsing I've done with the dishes, I feel that some of our cups still had the kind of taste from this dish soap. And because of that, I quit washing our cups in this. This just had too strong of a clingy scent to it, and I didn't like that for our cups. So I will not purchase that again. One of my favorites is the Soft Touch Almond Milk and Blueberry scent. Love this. Highly, highly recommend this scent if you can find it. This dish soap cuts grease. It's soft on your hands. It is really nice. The scent is heavenly. Check this out. Definitely recommend this one. Okay. And then this Soft Touch one and the Ultra Strength instantly cuts through grease. Palmolive. I bought the big bottle of this from Walmart. It is 32 and a half fluid ounces. I believe this was only like $3. Anyways, it's massive. This is the one you get at the Dollar Tree. This is the one you can get at Walmart. You can also buy smaller versions at Walmart too, but this is totally worth the money. This is the best concentrated dish soap I've used. It cuts grease literally, like it suggests, in no time. This stuff really, really works. It is tough on the stuck on food or any of that nasty greasy grime that you have in your dishes. Amazing. Amazing. And a little goes a long way. It's currently what I'm using right now as my dish soap as well. I've got a new bottle. But besides, these are my two all-time favorite, Soft Touch and Ultra Strength. But in terms of really stuck on like crock pot messes and stuff, because I don't use a crock pot liner, I just wash my crock pot, and this does the trick. I'm telling you guys, definitely check out the Ultra Strength. And sometimes you can find this in small bottles at Dollar Tree. But that is all the empties I have to share with you guys today. So I hope you enjoyed this video, enjoyed the little reviews, and if you have any other comments or questions regarding any of these products or whatever, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links, and thank you guys so very much for watching.